terrible tragedy has unfolded in Rajasthan's Jhalawar, and I would say an avoidable tragedy. Casualties have been reported, and you'll be shocked to know that the deaths have been of little children. The roof of a government Piplori primary school collapsed in Jhalawar, leaving at least around 7 children dead. Rescue operations have now concluded. 7 students confirmed have died, but many have sustained serious injuries, are currently undergoing treatment as well. As per reports, children, these students were at the Piplodi government school, were preparing for morning prayers when the incident took place. That is when the roof collapsed on them. Look at the situation on the ground right now. According to sources, the building was in a dilapidated condition already. Several complaints were raised with this regard earlier. Who did not listen? What was the administration, the government doing at that juncture? The school offers education till class 8. All these minor students have lost their life, and especially 7 that I'm talking about, and many injured. Who is answerable to their wailing family members who are carrying the mortal remains of their children? Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma has taken note of the incident. The Chief Minister is assuring the injured children would get the best treatment at the hospital. But a question mark still remains. Why was this school not repaired in time?
मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि उन दिवंगत छात्रों को भगवान के श्री चरणों में स्थान दें और उनके परिजनों को इस दुखद घटना को सहन करने की शक्ति दे। और जिस तरह से पता लगते हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी और हम सभी अधिकारियों को दिशा निर्देश देके तत्काल जितने घायल हैं उनको उपचार के लिए, और प्रार्थना यही करूंगा कि भगवान उन घायलों को जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो और उपचार की व्यवस्था के लिए सभी अधिकारियों को दिशा निर्देश दिए गए हैं।
हमारा सबसे बड़ा काम ये है बच्चों को राहत पहुंचाना, बच्चों का इलाज कराना, और हम हमारा ध्यान हमारा उस पर केंद्रित किया।
तो क्या सरकार क्या कदम उठाएगी बिल्डिंग
सरकार जांच करवाएगी क्या घटना क्यों हुई, कैसे हुई।
हमारी सरकारी तंत्र इतना लापरवाह हो गया कि उसकी वजह से यही संज्ञान नहीं ले सका कि ये भवन सुरक्षित है बच्चों के लिए या नहीं है। तो मैं समझता हूं कि हमें इस वक्त राजनीति तो नहीं करनी चाहिए, लेकिन जिम्मेदारी जरूर लेनी चाहिए और आगे इस घटना से सीख लेकर के हमको तुरंत सरकार को प्राथमिकता के साथ में वो विद्यालय जो बिल्कुल जर्जर हैं या सेफ नहीं है बच्चों के बैठने के लिए, उनके ऊपर पूरी तरीके से काम करना चाहिए।
Absolutely disturbing, inexcusable. Just think of those 7 children and 7 families, the parents who sent their little boys especially to the school to study and had to take their mortal remains back home because the roof collapsed.